Hi, I'm Abhishek Bachchan and you are watching BollywoodHungama.com. Keep on watching, as my friend Faridun says.
And what about the producer Abhishek Bachchan? Because we've always discussed, I think you're a fantastic producer.
Yes, finally jumped back into the arena. In March, we start filming our next production, which is going to be directed by Balki. Right. And starring Dad and Dhanush. That I'm just producing. Then in September, I'll start another film which I'm going to be producing and acting in.
So what is it called? Who's directing it?
That's going to be directed by a friend of mine called Amit Sharma. Amit has done all my idea campaigns.
That was something you told me around Players Time as well.
So we finally finished off the script and we're going to be starting in September.
Finally, if you have to sum up Dhoom 3, Abhishek, for all your fans.
I'm very emotional about Dhoom, Faridun.
You like the idea Dhoom Day, 20th December,
I think it's very cool. Yeah? I tweeted about it yesterday. I think it's very cool.
Right.
But Dhoom for me is very emotional. I'll never forget on 27th of August 2004 at 2 p.m. Aditya Chopra called me and said, "Are you sitting down?" So I said, "No, why?" And I was standing in his garden. He was in office. He said, "No, sit down." I said, "Why?" He said, "Because you just given your first hit."
Right.
And I'll never forget that, ever. And it was a turning point in my career. Dhoom is a great reason why I am still sitting in front of you. And it's been a film which I have a lot of emotional, fond memories of. Dhoom, the starting of it, how it started, how we made the film when it released and became this huge success. Dhoom 2, the star cast, the making, and then the huge success. And now similarly with Dhoom 3. Amir actually was the first person who spoke to me about the film.
Yeah, you were in New Zealand at that point of time.
He didn't know that Adi had not told me yet. And I remember the first person I spoke to after Adi spoke to me was Uday. And he said, so? So I said, so? He said, are you going to do it? So I said, are you going to do it? He said, I'll do it if you do it. I said, I'll do it if you do it. He said, okay, let's do it. So that's just the way it is, you know, it's an emotional decision for me. I'm not very good at taking strategic decisions. Maybe I should learn, but you know, Dhoom for me is actually an emotion because the film means so much to me, you know, and I've given so much of my life to Dhoom. It's been now coming up to 10 years of Dhoom's release. It released in 2004 August. After Dhoom is when the industry finally started seeing me in a different light.
And you were the same year as well.
You've actually released before Dhoom.
Okay, but the same year.
Yes,
same year.
Yeah.
And you are a great, I think you was an outstanding performance.
Thank you.
Okay, finally, you are a producer yourself and you understand the entire, I think, how it works. Now, it is a unique opportunity that you guys are having. 20th December, the movie is releasing, and the way it is looking like, till 1st January, almost every single day is a holiday.
Right.
Never ever, I think before, has such a situation arose that a big film is coming and you're having like a 12-13 day period where you're having holidays on a trot.
Right.
What is your strategy going to be like? Because this is not a weekend movie.
This
is not going to be a weekend movie.
That was discussed. Amir, Adi and I had discussed this. There was a thought, a thinking where people thought that 25th December would be the right day to release the film because it's a holiday and you can start with a bang. And that argument carries a lot of water, obviously.
Right.
Then there was another point of view which said, let's release on 20th, which is a Friday. And you'll get those extra 5 days as well, plus the holidays that follow on. I feel today, Faridun, your release date has become of equal importance to all your other big decisions that you make. Because you need to give a chance to your film to be exhibited properly. You need to give your exhibitors a chance to do it properly. And I think it's an integral decision. Today I do feel, especially for a big film, it can make or break a film.
Fantastic. Thank you very much, Abhishek, for being on Bollywood Hungama. Looking forward to Dhoom 3 and lovely to have you as always. One of the most wittiest and most genuine persons that you have in Bollywood is Abhishek Bachchan.
Thank you.
And you know, your fans have this complaint कि आपने पिछले इंटरव्यू में आपने बोला था कि अभिषेक ने खुद बोला था कि हम लोग को बीच-बीच में भी कभी मिलना चाहिए इंटरव्यूज के लिए and all that stuff, लेकिन वो हो नहीं पाया।
मैं तो जरूर मानता हूँ, लेकिन आप लोग शिकागो आते नहीं हो, क्या करूँ?
शिकागो आप लेकिन
शिकागो में बस गए थे,
we can always that's what your fans say.
Okay, I'll tell you what. Abhi, now you call me when you next want to talk to me.
Sure.
And I will make myself available no matter what.
No, we have to do a fan questions-based interview with you because that's what they've been asking for a long time.
Anytime.
Thank you very much.
My pleasure, buddy. My pleasure.
That's all we have from Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.